Hello, this is Mrs. Liu. Let us look at this science question. A door requires a minimum moment of 50 Newton meter in order to open it. Okay, this is a door. We have a hinge here and we have a doorknob over here. What is the minimum distance of the doorknob from the hinges if the door is to be pulled open with a force of 200 newtons at the doorknob? Okay, we know that for moments, the formula is force times perpendicular distance from the pivot. Okay, it's a perpendicular distance from the pivot. The units for moments is Newton meter. The units for force is in Newton. And the units for distance is in meters. Remember to convert all your units to the SI units. And the distance is a perpendicular distance from the pivot. So we are given the moments of 50 Newton meter. And the force is actually 200 newtons. And we need to find the minimum distance. Okay, so to find the distance is actually 50 divided by 200. So that's actually 0.25 meters. Hence, the answer is A. Thank you for joining me. Remember, you are a miracle.